Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are most definitely welcome. If you are not new here, then welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to be doing this Valentine's Day look for you guys. This is going to be the second video in the series of colorful looks that I'm doing for you guys. So for those of you who requested for the color red, here you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and without further ado, let's get into it.
Long nights alone, sleeping by myself with no one to hold. And I think, don't you worry my friend, you've got time. But right now I think I need someone who takes me to dinner and wine and kisses me every night. I just want somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody to love me like that. Tell me, what do you feel? Is it something inside of you that wants to go? Can you be the one that takes me to dinner and wine and kisses me every night? I just want somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody to love me like that. To love me like that. To love me like that.
Okay guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating this video for you guys. It was a very long and tedious, affair, but we made it. We finally finished and I think it turned out pretty amazing. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Okay guys, bye, love you. Mwah.